Hi, I'm David Daggett with Daggett Schuler Attorneys at Law. I want to talk to you a little bit about long-term disability insurance. If you've ever made a claim, you know that that can be very, very confusing. So let me share with you a few things. First is long-term disability insurance is many times an employment benefit that you may have at work. So if you've gotten hurt in an accident or disabled or anything like that and can't go to work for a period of time, your long-term disability insurance may kick in and cover some of your income. So you could have that through work, or you could have a private policy. Either way, those can be very, very important benefits that you may want to consider. At work, sometimes they pass around the enrollment forms and those sort of things, and long-term disability insurance can be one of those things that you look over because you don't think a whole lot about. But nobody plans to get injured or have cancer or some other illness and can't go to work for an extended period of time. And having this long-term disability insurance can be very helpful for you and for your family. And let me tell you a couple of other things to warn you about with long-term disability insurance claims. First of all, these are called administrative claims. Now, the book on administrative claims would fill this room, and I can't go into all that, but let me briefly tell you, there are some very, very short time periods to complete the quote record. And the record is what those cases depend on and are decided on. If the record is not properly prepared, your odds of winning the case are very, very low. So you need to turn to somebody with the knowledge and experience to properly help you prepare your record on the claim. Next is the time period to prepare that record is very, very short. Sometimes as short as 6 months, and if your record isn't prepared by then, your case is over. Lastly, insurance companies that do long-term disability insurance know that there are many, many exceptions and loopholes, and they're going to use those against you, not for you. You need somebody on your side. If you're disabled and can't go to work and have long-term disability insurance and you don't know where to turn, please turn to Daggett Schuler for help. It's important for you and it's important for your family, and we'd be honored to help you through this process.